Property break-ins often happen at the point of entry, and doors can be one of the first things intruders approach. It's important that they are kept locked, but even that may not provide enough security against a break-in. This holds true in your own home as well as any home you stay in while on vacation. The new 270D Folding Door Security Bar from Master Lock is the only adjustable door bar on the market designed to offer both robust strength and compact storage and portability, making it convenient to take with you on the go. The innovative quick-release design unfolds and adjusts to secure either sliding or hinged doors in seconds. Installation is easy, and the heavy-duty 20-gauge steel body can be set to a variety of lengths, adding an additional layer of protection to most standard doors. The padded rubber foot holds strong on most floor surfaces without scratching or damage. And when you're done, simply fold it up and stow or hang it using the flexible handle strap. Protect yourself and your property with the 270D Folding Door Security Bar, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Master Lock, for everything worth protecting.